What's up guys, Excel here. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to start mining bitcoins directly from your PC. Like you just make some extra money just mining bitcoins, and it's very easy, believe me. You just need to download a software, have an internet connection, and that is all to start making bitcoins just like that. So make sure to subscribe, like and share. It will be very interesting. Let's dive directly into it. Um, you first of all need to go to your browser and just search the nice hash. Okay. So for those of you who don't know what Bitcoin mining is, it's just like to make your computer execute Bitcoin transaction for you on a blockchain network in exchange for some commission, and that commission is your profit you're earning. So for more, make more researches on on YouTube and also the internet and all of that. You can also increase the profit which you make while mining bitcoins by um, using this app here, which I'm going to show you in many other laptops. Yeah, there are also CPUs out there which are specialized in mining bitcoin. You can buy it there. You can make it a business, but remember, the last bitcoin will be mined on 2041 if I'm not mistakenly. Let's search here.
When will the last BTC be mined? Okay. Oh, 2040. Okay.
Yeah, by this year you'll surely be at your grave. And also a massive thanks to jolimama.com for sponsoring this video. Jolimama.com is a website in which you can go there and share any digital skills you have in exchange for some income. Like let's take for example a skill like video editing, photo editing, um, all the skills you can see here, all of them, marketing. You just need to come in here, create the account, go there to join us. You create the account, put your details, your phone number, email address, all of that, and when somebody comes to the platform, he sees your offer. If he's interested, he contacts you and you deal. You make a deal. So I personally use it for some extra passive income. Yeah, and why don't you too? So if you are interested, I'll leave a link to it in the description which you can click and check out. So make sure you check out this website. Okay, thanks. Let's go to get started, and you first need to create your nice hash account here. You need to create it. Okay, you create your account here. I already have my account here, so I'll just go to login and just put my details. Okay, keep wait for it to come. Now, what do we do next? Let's click over here. Okay, download miner. Okay, come to download miner. So my computer uses an AMD. It says here NVDA is recommended, but I have an AMD, so I'll just click here. I understand. It tells me to disable my antivirus first. Okay, let me come to my antivirus and disable Windows Defender. What did it say? Real-time protection. Okay, I'll come here. Virus, real-time protection, disabled. Okay, it's disabled. Go to get it banded. Wait for actual process and get to it. Oh my eyes. That's what happened when you are on computer screens every day, every time. It hurts the eye.
So download nice hatch.
Installer, nice package. I will go for Miner installer. This one here, and I'll read it. There's actually a network issue here. Okay, start download. Wait for it to download, and you install and start mining some bitcoins. Okay, install stuff. Oh, okay guys, as you just saw, this internet download manager which I'm using is pretty good, right? So if it's good for you, then check out this my video which will appear just above here, on how to get free apps, such good softwares for free. Okay, check that video and I'll leave a link to it in the description here. So I accept language. Next, let me click to log in here and see. Return or enter Bitcoin address manually. Which Bitcoin address I'm talking about? Wait for it to load. Okay, let me log into my account, my NiceHash account. Okay. Oh, what am I typing in that? Boom, boom, boom. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's loading. Checking CPU info. Okay, so it's actually processing the it's actually installing, checking my computer to make the installment, so we have to wait again for it to finish. Guys, if so far you've liked the content of this video, then make sure to just click that subscribe button and uh like the video, share the video to others. Yeah, if it's helpful to you, it will be helpful to others. Okay, and this is something everybody also needs to know, so you have to subscribe, share and like. Yeah, and also check out other cool videos like this in my channel. They are there. There are a bunch of them here. Okay, so I accept login performed successfully. Okay, miner, NiceHash miner restart is required. Okay, restart. Boom, and I, I hope I'll start mining some bitcoins. Let's see something. Okay, so yes, actually the capacities of my computer, Intel Core 7, all of that, AMD Radeon, 2 GB dedicated memory. Yes, so guys, so you have to wait for this benchmarking to finish. I think you have to wait for this benchmarking, okay, to finish. When this benchmarking finish, then you'll be ready to start mining bitcoins directly and make some extra bitcoin money. Okay, so let me pause the video and come back when all this stuff will be finished. Okay, you come to these plugins here, these plugin here. Okay, you install all the stuffs. NiceHash miner integrates third-party software via miner. So you wait all the stuffs and you install. Okay, you need to install all of these stuffs over here. Just install everything. Okay, these are tools which will help you mine. Yeah, so just install all the stuffs. Okay, they also call miner plugins. Okay, so yeah, these are all the stuffs. Pending benchmark, there are 2 benchmarks. Okay, so it's actually benchmarking my piece. Okay, benchmark means, what does benchmark means? Benchmark means like to examine your PC, to test its capacities, its capabilities and its limits. Okay, that's what benchmarking means. It's putting your PC to test. Okay, it's actually testing my PC right now, so it's actually evaluating. Okay, so once the benchmark will finish, it is going to I'll just have to click on start all and you start mining bitcoins. Yeah, so as you can see, here is my computer actually mining bitcoins. I'm actually making bitcoins here. Okay, yeah, you can see a new job received. This is I will speak that I'm actually mining bitcoins, guys. I'm making money mining bitcoins, and here is the amount, an estimated amount I can receive a day: 0.03 US dollar a day. Yeah, I'm actually making some money. Not doing nothing. I'm just here watching at the bitcoins being mined on my computer. That's all, man. That's the beauty of the stuff. This is the estimated amount I can make a day, guys. 0.02 US dollars a day. 0.2 cents a day. So it's, yeah, 0.2 cents a day. It's actually, it's just some free small catch, okay. Um how many times, let's say $1,000, okay, divided by 0.02, 50,000 days to have $1,000, guys. This will not make you rich. This will not give you, this will not make you rich, guys. Let's say divided by 0.02, 5,000 days. You imagine 5,000 days to make $100. Will you able to live for 500 days? Will not make you rich unless you invest on it and buy those application specific integrated circuit processors. Okay, guys, so that was actually it for how to start mining bitcoins from today from your computer. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Go and mine bitcoins, guys. Go and make free free little money, even though it's not much. Go and mine bitcoins, guys. Go and make some small catch. That was it. Thank you guys for watching once more. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Okay, subscribe, like, and share. Thanks. We will see on the next video. Peace out.